So please lower your voices. V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2. This is your formula. And let's, first thing, right? I underline what's my known. You have your 6 liters. V1, you have your temperature, T1, you have your pressure, P1, and you have your moles of gas, N1. Not everything will be needed. If we add 0.250 mole, here's your N2.
Why do you use T?
I'm just identifying all the givens. And we'll decide which ones we need to use, right?
What does T represent?
Yeah, exactly.
Temperature.
We don't need it then.
Of gas at the same pressure and temperature. So the pressure 2 is the same as pressure 1, so I don't need it, right? And then the temperature is the same as temperature 1, so I don't need it. But you have to identify it. You have to identify everything. So the first thing, because what I have left is volume and the number of moles, I'm using Avocados Law, V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2. And number 2, I substitute what I have. Yes.
What does N stand for?
N is the number of moles. Okay, remember Avogadro had to do with numbers of particles. So let's go. My V1 is 6 liters. My N1 is 0.5. I can just write 0.5. I don't have to do 0.500. Equals my V2. What is my V2? My V2, I don't know. That's my unknown.
Oh, yeah.
And my N2 is 0.25. Yes, all you do is you cross multiply. You're solving for V2, which means basically you take this guy and you move it to the top. So for number 3, I'm going to have 6 times a quarter, 5, divided by 0.5. And guys, what do I get?
0.1.
Of course.
It is 3. 3. So my final volume is in liters, and it is 3 liters. All right. Right? So I'm increasing the speed just a little bit because when you listen to this video over and over again, you'll appreciate it. Trust me. Okay, let me take a different pen. Let's take green. Here's my volume. Here's my number of moles. I have SDP conditions. What volume does this many moles? There's my N2 of gas fill. So I underline what volume because I don't know. That's my unknown, right? But the formula again is the same. So I write down over here V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2, right? That's your formula. The next thing you write down is you substitute things in. So my V1, my N1 is this unyielding number 000498. You got it. Equals my V2. I don't have. And my N2 is right here, which is 0.0000136. Okay. Are we good? What do I need to do to solve for V2? Yes. So very algebraic, kind of almost like a pre-algebra gig, right? In case you forgot or in your mind, algebra and chemistry just should not merge, just kind of work through it. Okay, so what did you guys get? That's it. V2 equals my sig figs. I have 3 over here. I have 3 over here. I have 3 over here. So 3, 4, 9, 5. Can I just say 350.350? And this will be in liters. And you box it in. And this is how you get your A on the test, right? You show me the steps. Don't write the answer down alone. Show me how you got it. And I take the same exams in my graduate school. I have to show all my thinking, right? Excellent. Number 3. All right, let's use purple. What is my given? 191.9. So there's your volume 1. Next one is N1. Next one is excellent. And then I'm looking for my, these are almost boring because they're always looking for volume, right? But it would be the same if I look for something else. So number 1 is V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2. Remember, on the test, write down the formula each time. Step number 2. Can somebody plug this into the calculator? $4.34 or 4.81? Let's double check. I always like it when 2 people do it because 1.9 times 0.021 divided by 0.092, right? 0.43. I'm sorry. Yes, 0.43. 0.4. You can even do this. And I believe it's in liters. So 433 milliliters. So about half a liter, which is about, this one is 500, right? Milliliters here. So this is what we got is 0.433 amount of gas. Let's look at number 4. Volume. So volume and number of moles. Let's look at number 5. Let's look at it. Sometimes the fractions throw you off. If I have volume here, and I have my number of moles here, if the volume goes up, what also goes up? So, linear, positive slope, right? Relationship. So, just remember the slope is positive, right? This is always going to be y equals mx plus b. Trust me, I used to teach algebra here. Okay. Excellent. All right. Let's turn this down.